So earlier we saw how we can use variables to store values so we can use them later. Variables can store not only simple values like strings or numbers, but also the result of an expression or operation. An expression in Python contains simple values combined with operators, like you may have seen in math class. For example, we can add numbers, we can subtract them, and so on. So let's create a new variable and print the result of 4 plus 3. And when we run this, we get 7, since 3 plus 4 equals 7. So this is the plus operator, and we could also use a minus. We use the asterisk for multiplication and a forward slash for division. Python also supports many other math operations that we talk about in our other videos. Now, in Python, we can also use a double asterisk operator to calculate powers. We usually read this as 2 raised to the third power. That's 2 multiplied by itself 3 times, which equals 8. So, let's declare another variable called bananas and set it to 3 plus 4 times 5. So what do you think is the result of this expression when we print bananas? Also, we're using numbers here to keep things simple, but of course we could replace any of these numbers with variables, and the same rules apply. Feel free to pause the video here and let us know your answer in the comments. Did you answer 35 or 23? Well, the correct number of bananas is 23. The reason we know this is the correct number is the order of operations, which determines the order in which these operators are applied. So, multiplication and division always go before addition and subtraction. So, this part of the expression is evaluated first. That's 4 times 5, which equals 20. Then the result is added to 3. So the result of this expression is 23. As we can see, Python follows the same order of operations as in math, but we can also change their order using parentheses. For example, if we want 3 plus 4 to be evaluated first, we can add parentheses around this part, like this. Now, we're telling Python to do the operation in the parentheses first, and then the operation outside the parentheses. So here we add 3 plus 4, which is 7, and then multiply that by 5, which is 35. So if we print this expression and run this code, now the result is 35. We can also have nested parentheses, which means we can put parentheses inside parentheses like this. In this case, Python starts with the parenthesis inside, then the outer ones, and then the final division operation. So now this is saying add 3 plus 4, then multiply the result by 5, and then divide that by 7. Now try running this expression and see what is the result if we don't use any parenthesis.